Pretty tough. If it's tough for you at the moment, especially if it's more of a strength issue than even a flexibility issue to get in that position, some regressions you can do to move forward. You can grab two of these balls here, elevate the front foot if need be, and then I go into this position, and then, all right, so maybe like session 1, week 1, or even set number 1, I'm using both of these poles and I'm gripping them fairly firmly. Then my next progression could be, I'm gonna use both poles, but I got just a couple of fingers on there, and now it's more about just me making my body and brain feel safe in this position, right? Then I'm going down to maybe one pole. I'm using this as a guide to tell if my torso is nice and upright. I don't want to be leaning in front of the pole. Then I can go one pole, one dumbbell, then 2 dumbbells, right? So that's a way. I want to give you guys tools to regress and progress this as needed.